In this video, I'm going to talk about the differences between dynamic microphones and condenser microphones. I'm going to show examples of both dynamic microphones and condenser microphones. I'm also going to explain the differences between the two types of microphones. For comparison, I'm also going to show sound samples from each kind of microphone so that you can hear the difference yourself. Our first microphone is a Shure SM58. This is a dynamic microphone with a cardioid pattern. It is intended to be used as a vocal microphone and can be used for either singing or talking. Our other microphone is a Behringer XM1800S. This is also a dynamic microphone and is very similar to the SM58. The only difference being that this microphone has a supercardioid characteristic and it has an on and off button. This microphone is also, like the SM58, intended to be used as a vocal microphone. Now over to the condenser microphones. Our first condenser microphone is an Electronics SE5. This is a condenser microphone, like I said, and condenser microphones are a little bit different from the dynamic microphones when it comes to stuff like how it's built and how you use it, and condenser microphones also create a slightly different audio image than dynamic microphones. Condenser microphones tend to be a little bit more sensitive to the sounds that they record. They have a much bigger range and can record much more noises in a certain area than dynamic microphones usually can. These microphones are not intended to be used for singing or talking. They're intended to be used for instruments, such as a drum kit. The ones I have come in a pair so that you can record in stereo. The next and final microphone is a RØDE NT1-A. This is a studio microphone for vocal recording. Like I said before, the condenser microphones are very sensitive to the sounds that they record, so that is why this is intended to be used in a studio where it's usually very quiet. If you use this on like a stage, it will probably record a lot of noises that you don't want to record. The sound signal that a condenser microphone records is actually really low, so low that you can't even hear it. Most mixers and external sound cards has a fix for this called phantom power. Phantom power is a way of amplifying the signal that comes from a condenser microphone. To turn on phantom power on a mixer, look for the button that says plus 48 volts. Now to compare the microphones. I've already used the RØDE NT1-A throughout this whole video, so you already know what this sounds like. This sound sample is recorded using the Shure SM58. This sound sample is recorded using the Behringer XM1800S. This is a sound sample recorded using the Electronics SE5.
I just wanted to say thanks.